One of the most overlooked parts of body language when you're presenting is your face. People don't somehow think of their face as being part of their body. Now, actually everything from the neck upwards has to be engaged. Partly because if your face is moving, your head is moving, it just says I'm relaxed. It also allows you to look around a space, look around a room far more. So make sure you're moving from your shoulders up. But facial expressions are really important. Now, it's very easy for your facial expression to give away your nerves or just to make it look as if you're really uncomfortable and you really don't want to be here, and you start being a bit mumbly, and actually people can really start to see the crisis on your face and it looks like you're about to burst into tears. Don't do that. Use your face as an important part of your storytelling. Use your face to tell us how you're feeling, whether you think something's urgent, whether something's important. Ideally, have a smile playing around your lips all the time. Now, clearly this is context sensitive. If you are delivering really bad news, and occasionally we'll have to do it in presentations, smiling probably isn't the way to do it. But even then, your facial expression should convey empathy. It should convey gravitas, because you want people to recognise that you know this is bad news. But a smile playing around your lips for most presentations will really help. If nothing else, it actually helps to raise the soft palate at the back of your mouth. A smile does that, which will help make your voice sound fuller. I'd also suggest that you actually warm up your face before you start presenting. It's then going to make it much easier to be expressive. So just a little bit of massage of the jaw, a little bit of stretching, maybe a yawn before you start speaking. And you can do that sat in a chair in a meeting room without anybody noticing. Actually will make a big difference. Whatever you do or don't do with your face, make sure you articulate. People need to be able to hear what you're saying. They need to be able to understand what you're saying. And if you're mumbling because you're not really using your lips very much, actually it doesn't really help. So articulate your words. A good tongue twister to try before you start speaking is the lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue, because it does what it says on the tin. It warms up the lips, the teeth, and the tip of the tongue. But ideally, use your face to express whatever emotion it is you are talking about. Hopefully it's going to be smiley, it's going to be bright, it's going to be pleasurable. It may be serious. Let your face do the talking as much as your voice.